It's sometime in October, and you know what that means? The cold. The cold is coming closer and closer with the passing of each day. And yet my bike sits where it's been sitting all year, in the corner, vacant, tireless. Why is this? Well, the embarrassing truth of the matter is that I have anxiety about riding my bike. That's right, anxiety. I think subconsciously I've left it like this so that I don't even have the option, so that I can't ride it even if I wanted to, because sometimes I do think I want to. But my anxiety rings out a little louder than my desires do. Today I confront this. But first I have to figure out how to put the tires back on. Why the anxiety, Alex? I asked myself. Riding bikes is fun. It's supposed to be, at least.
Removing and replacing the rear wheel on your road bike can seem quite tricky, but fortunately it is a simple skill to master when you know how to do it.
Perhaps it's from that day 6+ years ago when I wrecked my bike 2 times in the same day, in the exact same way. Perhaps the embarrassment is left over from that day. Or maybe it's because I don't trust these damn cars on these damn city streets. People drive like mad, don't you know? Especially nowadays with all of this construction closing down lanes and confusing the commuters of Indianapolis. Drive like mad, I tell you. But that doesn't matter. These things can't dictate my life. I won't let them. This anxiety of mine, yes, it's embarrassing. Really, truly embarrassing. I'm an adult man, anxious about riding his bike. But I will be embarrassed by it no longer. Today I take my fate in my hands. Today, I ride my bike.